In this guide, I'm going to show you one of the best skeleton army decks in all of Clash Royale. This deck is absolutely insane for defense and can turn into massive counter pushes. But before we dive into this breakdown, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel. It lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Here's the list of the cards that you need. You're gonna need to have Skeleton Barrel. You're gonna want to have Skarmy in one of those Evo slots right there. You're also gonna want Skeleton King, Cannon Cart, Mother Witch, Furnace, Bats, and Arrows. This is a 3.5 average elixir cost, and it is defensive first. The deck is obviously very godly on defense. You've got Skeleton Army and Bats for quick swarms, Cannon Cart as a reliable tank killer, and Furnace, which is going to be constantly spawning pressure. Once your Dark Elixir Skeleton King charges up, he becomes nearly impossible to stop, and that's not even counting the Skeleton Army, which is by far one of the best cards in the game after its new evolution. The counter push potential on this deck is huge. Defend with your swarms, and then drop Skeleton King to soak up any souls. Follow up with Skeleton Barrel or Mother Witch, and suddenly you're flooding the board with swarms and piggies. Arrows are your clutch spell here. Use them to wipe enemy swarms so your pushes actually can connect. And the strengths of this deck are its defense and versatility. You can defend almost anything and then flip the game with a counter attack. The weakness is obviously it's not very free to play friendly. Mother Witch and Skeleton King aren't the easiest cards to unlock, but overall this deck earns a godly defense rating, good offense, and godly versatility. I recommend trying this out, especially if you like those swarm style decks that overwhelm your opponent. But yeah, that's going to be it for today. If you have any questions, ask them down in the comment section below. We can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.